so excited. God, dog. Right. The wait is over, baby. It's official. Your girl got a headboard. Time to unbox it. I'm not wasting no time. I ain't even come home and get undressed. That's how excited I am to unbox it. Hopefully it's simple. Guys, can see it. Now I'm about to tear my butt up, baby. Baby, my toe hurt. The string attached to a bag, which contains all of your hardware. So this the hardware, baby. What legs? Don't tell me all the pieces not in this box. Oh, baby, it feels so smooth. You hear me? Baby, the velvet. Baby! I'm so excited. But where are the legs? It's the brackets attached to it. Thumbnail. I want to turn it, but so freaking bad. It's finally come. Here we go. Little bag of hardware. This stuff out, which is so you gave me a little LJ, so I probably don't need to get my screwdriver or my drill. That's a plus. Let's get the instructions out. So the pieces came out the bag. Uh-oh. We gotta do it. Assembly. Headboard. Yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. Okay. Focus. There, I went to swallow this. Take the legs out. Package. He's so smooth. These are the legs to. Okay. Remove the headboard from the box and lay it face down on the ground. Open the vertical panel of the back and remove both the legs and the hardware. Huh? No, it's already out. Okay, so it's nothing in here. So I guess like when I move things like that, I can put the legs in there. But how is this adjustable? Oh, because the dots on here, I can raise it all the way up there. Okay, we got it. Okay, I'm gonna raise this camera down so I can actually see the process. Oh, what's up, guys? All up close and personal, baby. Let's move you down. Okay, we back. Maybe this is it. Yeah, now we can see. Look at all the pieces now. We need 8. The letter A. This should be 8 of these. 4 of these. It's just what you guys can see. This is what they look like. And then these are the little washers. Need 4 and 4. But then that's what I want you to check everything. It's like how you actually take it. Okay. How high you want it to be? Multiple dots go at the top. Okay. It's time. Bring y'all a little closer up. So take the washroom. Now, hopefully you guys can see. I'm gonna put it up against this wall so you guys can get an idea of how tall it is. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Yes. Nice. Simple, it didn't take 5 minutes. I should be continuing this video and give you guys a room tour or just me assembling everything first. It'll be another video, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. Bye.